welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to be stripping this Indesit tumble dryer. Now I'm just going to unscrew all the screws, take the top off. Oh, there we go. I'm just going to quickly skip through all these screws so you don't have to watch it all. So I've took all the screws out. That was just screwed onto there, the back of that plastic. Now I'm going to take all this off the front bit. Let's get all these screws out. So I'm just going to quickly do all that. So I've unscrewed the side bits, the panels, and then I'm going to take all the wiring out. So I'm just going to pull these sides up, the iron sides out, well, light iron. As you can see down there, there's the motor, which I'm hoping is copper and not aluminium. Some more wiring. I'm going to pull all this wiring out. It's really dusty inside the dryer. Can't really see what's a circuit board behind this sauna. Doesn't look like. Let's get this last piece out of it. I'm going to take this plastic cover off. Take the condenser out, which is obviously aluminium, as you can see there. Just looking for more screws. So obviously three more screws here, there. Got them out now. Right, I've got them screws out, so hopefully this should just come down. And obviously there's the front, and a bit of wiring here, which is the motor. Now, I just need to get me snaps. Still connected. Pull it out to the capacitor. Small plastic and crap. Slip this piece out here. Just should loosen the wire. Up goes the door. Just touch tip. Yank those out. So there's your nice bit of cable there. Hopefully some brassy bits on that. I don't know, I'll find out when I take it all apart. Right. Just get this last piece out here. Still some more wiring. Right. I just want to take the drum off because it's getting in my way. Just one sec. So I've just pulled the back off where the heating element is. Obviously just some cable, that's what I'll pull off now. And then hopefully get this back panel off. So I'm just going to quickly snip those wires off and that, and then get this back off and get to the motor. So I'm going to get these little last bits of wire so I can pull it all through. That didn't go to plan. So just pulled that off with this plastic bit here. So through some brass bits and it's like a little motor. But see, I'm just going to screw all this, get all this out, and I'm going to get to the motor. So I'm just going to try and prise this out with this plastic case. If not, the hammer's coming out. I've got a feeling that I'm going to have to get this back bit off here. Some brass down there and all this gunk. Nice brassy switch there. Right, just hold on guys, so I need to get some my hammer. So I've just took the drum off, which is here, free of that, because that was the shaft there, bit of the shaft, what's got the motor on. Alright, I'm just going to smash all this plastic off, and I'll show you this motor. Sorry about the noise guys. I'm just going to have to do a bit more destruction. So I've just noticed there's 4 bolts here, so I'm going to try and unscrew these. Obviously it released the motor. There we go, the motor is out. I'm just going to check to see if it's actually copper. I'm going to stand it up. Ooh. With this fake Chinese and stuff. Well, obviously you can clearly tell all day that is copper. Focus. So I'm just going to quickly show you what I've got out of the dryer. Obviously all the cable, the little motor here, obviously I've still got to take that off. So that'll have brassy bits. Obviously the little switch here. Not to mention all the plastic what comes with it. You know, the light iron, split iron panels, the condenser which is aluminium, and all that's just steel. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.